Hello guys, welcome to the SVN Guitars workshop. This is the new episode of our next build. We will build a Varion hollow. So now I have a big pile of wood right here and we're going to take a look through all the species of wood I got and then we will decide which one we will take for our new build. So let's get started. So we will start with selecting the wood for our neck. We do have some sapele, another tropical wood. I actually don't know the name because it is an old table leg. This beautiful chunk of purple heart will be for a next build. This table leg is really heavy and really dense. I've used the other half of it on my earlier guitars and the neck was quite heavy but very durable and very sturdy. And I'm going to save it for another build I have in my mind right now. So now I just basically have two pieces of sapele left. I will go with this one because it's a little bit wider and then we will have more flexibility on our headstock without gluing on some wings. So we have selected our neck wood. Now we will move on with some curving I did. Actually I don't have a selection of it, so yeah, we are going to use this curving. Then we do have some beautiful fretboard blanks. This one is rosewood, I guess. It's called Palisander in German. I will put the name right here. I guess it's rosewood in English. And this is ebony. Ebony from Madagascar. I think that I will go with the ebony one because it got a lot more figure than the rosewood one. So let's move on with the real deal. We do have some very beautiful figured flame maple. This is what we're going to use for our top. I would think this one will make up a great top too. We do have our selection. We will use this beautiful piece and this beautiful piece of roasted flame maple, an ebony fingerboard, some curving I did earlier, a mahogany neck. On the sides we're going to use some mahogany too, flame maple binding and some black poplar strips. This is what we're going to use for binding again. Now we have the collection of our woods and we will start with the neck this time and then we will go on with the body. Let's get started. So first of all, we're starting to lay out the center of our neck blank and then we will use our neck template to mark the outside of our neck. So let's get started. I have finished the neck template. I have marked the center line, the nut, and have cleaned the cuts from the CNC, so now we can start to shape the neck.
now I'm done with routing the neck. On one place I just slipped, but that shouldn't be a problem because it will easily hide when we shape the neck. Now we have removed so much wood that some of the tension probably will get free, and maybe the neck will start to move a little bit over time. So I'm gonna let it sit for roughly 5 days, and after the 5 days have passed, I will make sure that I will check the neck for squareness, and then I will move on with shaping the break angle of the headstock and with shaping the neck. Yeah, that's the episode 1 of the neck build. We will see us in the next video.